Today I'm going to show you a cool feature on Snapchat that lets you see who screenshotted your story. This can be really handy for knowing who's keeping an eye on your snaps. So let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're on the home screen, click on your profile icon located at the top left corner. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage all your settings and stories. Next, scroll down to find the My Stories section and click on the story you posted previously. This will open up your story for viewing. Now, look for the viewer icon at the lower left corner of the screen. This icon looks like an eye and represents the people who have viewed your story. Once you tap on the viewer icon, you'll see a list of your friends who have watched your story. Here's where it gets interesting. If someone has taken a screenshot of your story, you'll notice an arrow icon next to their name. This arrow indicates that they captured a moment from your story. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.